The 60-inch Energy Star rated Luray Eco Ceiling Fan unites efficiency and modern design concepts to offer the best in style, performance, quality, and design. With a CFM output of over 8,300, this Eco Fan moves an impressive amount of air and looks stylish doing it. Featuring Emerson's DC Eco motor, the Luray Eco is one of the most efficient fans on the market, using up to 75% less energy than conventional ceiling fan models to create unbeatable air movement in large spaces for less than a penny an hour. The Luray Eco comes in platinum, barbecue black, and satin white finishes. 3 matching curved blades optimize air movement. With 2,600 lumens of light output and a color accuracy of 95 CRI, the integrated dimmable LED light fixture provides long-lasting and efficient lighting that can be customized for the perfect ambiance. Or use the included no light plate for a stylish solution in rooms where no additional light is needed. The Luray Eco is damp location rated, making it an excellent solution for indoor rooms as well as covered porches and patios. Install on a standard ceiling or use the Emerson sloped ceiling kit for installation on pitched ceilings. A 4.5-inch downrod is included with the fan for easy hanging, and a 6-speed LED wall control allows you to create custom airflows in your home year-round. Experience the best of contemporary style with the Emerson Luray Eco Ceiling Fan and enjoy state-of-the-art air comfort.